Okay, here's another video. This is on my new tonneau cover. It's put out by BAK Industries. This is called a Bakflip VP. What I really love about this thing is the flush fit. No creases. You get somewhere you need to haul something. It's also watertight. Need to haul something. Pull a tailgate. Cable here you lock or pull. Cover flips. Pull it again. Flips. Pull it again. It flips. Gives you total access to the back of your truck. Bumper pads here so it won't rub up against your cab. You've got the retaining rod there and one right here. Flips up. Loosen this, pull it down. Do that on both sides. It secures your cover. You can go down the interstate, highway speeds, and it's secure. It's not going anywhere. You've got complete access to your bed. If you need to take it off completely, there's a 5-star knob on each end. I can have this thing off here in 30 seconds. Meanwhile, everyday driving, it's going to improve fuel mileage. You can hear it click when it comes down. It's like shutting the trunk. Shuts again. Clicks into place. Now here, you say you need to shut the tailgate. Shut the tailgate. Push it down. Locks into place. Lock the tailgate, and it's secure. If you search online, you can get a pretty decent price on these, but if you have it installed and pay sales tax and everything, it'll set you back about $900, depending on where you can find it. But you can beat that substantially if you don't mind doing it yourself and can follow instructions. They're easy to follow. I would definitely suggest this to anybody who wants a nice tonneau cover that's flush fitting. It looks like a single piece. Anyway, thanks for watching.